palanggat mga ka-OFW. Andito ako ngayon sa labas. Kasama ko yung aming alaga. Dahil winter na dito, time check dito is 1:21. Nag-race kaming dalawa. We will see who will be the first.
You let go.
Tanghali na dito pero hindi mainit dahil winter. Exercise na tayo dito sa labas kasi winter na, hindi na mainit. Malamig na. Picnic na naman dito. You know, in the Philippines now it's also raining.
See what I have.
Have you seen in the news? Huh? What time are you getting up in the morning?
5 o'clock.
Then who will wake you up tomorrow? Huh?
You. 5
Then who will bring you to school?
You. You.
Me?
You.
I don't know what is your food. What is the food that you are bringing for school? I don't know. Before going to sleep, you tell me what kind of food you want, okay? So that you will have food in school. Hindi kami pwedeng lumayo kasi may order yung mga amo ko. Ngayon ay hintayin muna namin. Kapag lalakad, ngayon nagsakay kami ng sasakyan dahil punta kami ng supermarket bibili ng jacket ng aming alagang bata. Wala siyang pang winter na jacket at gusto niyang maglakad-lakad sa labas. At ngayon ay naulan. Shufti, hada fi matar, Shufti. Hada rain. See, if we walk. Remember before when we went to Hadika Shahid na it was raining? Remember it was very heavy rain? And then you were playing under the rain? Remember or no? Then when we came back here in the house, the next day, naulan dito ngayon sa Kuwait. Patunay lang na winter na talaga. Kaya namin dyan nilalagay yung mga gamit na hindi na ginagamit. Ngayon ay may itatapon or may ilalagay ang aming driver dyan ngayon. Yung tinapon niya na. That is the agrad of the one we bring from the house. They are putting it there, then somebody will get to, like for example clothes, they will give to somebody who doesn't have clothes, like that. Dito natin
like this
may
red free for me.
Yes.
Yeah, ini garad antibaritis.
See, you're not sick. Tapos na kami doon na muli at pauwi na kami.